In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to full screen in Canva. If you've ever wished for more room while designing, this is the quickest way to clear away distractions and focus on your work. We're doing this in a web browser on a computer, and the trick is simple. It uses your browser's full screen mode to give Canva as much space as possible without changing anything about your design. Start by opening the Canva project you want to work on. Make sure you're inside the editor so your canvas and tool panels are visible. Now, here's the whole move. Press the F11 key on your keyboard. That's it. When you do, the browser's tabs, address bar, and bookmarks disappear, and Canva expands to fill the entire screen. You still have all of Canva's usual panels, tools, and controls, just with a lot more breathing room. It's perfect for arranging elements precisely, checking alignment, or editing text without the clutter of your browser's interface. If you press F11 and nothing seems to happen, a couple of quick checks can help. Click once inside the page to make sure the browser has focus, then try F11 again. On many laptops, function keys double as media keys, so you might need to hold the function key, usually labeled FN, while pressing F11 to activate it. Some keyboards also have an FEN, lock you can toggle if you use function keys a lot. You may briefly see a small notification indicating you've entered full screen. That's normal. While you're in full screen, continue editing exactly as you normally would. Use Canva's zoom controls to get closer to fine details, or zoom out to see the whole composition. All your layers, assets, and editing tools remain fully accessible, and keyboard shortcuts work as usual. The only difference is that your browser interface is hidden, giving you a cleaner, distraction-free workspace. When you're ready to leave full screen, press F11 again. Your browser's toolbars and tabs will return, and you'll be right where you left off in your design. If you ever need to quickly check another tab while still in full screen, moving your mouse to the very top edge may briefly reveal the browser controls depending on your browser, but the simplest approach is just to toggle F11 off and on. That's all there is to it. Open your project, press F11, and enjoy a bigger, cleaner canvas for designing. Then press F11 again to switch back. Happy designing, and I'll see you in the next one.